Ningbo Lufeng Mold Mechanical Company Limited is a professional manufacturing company of all kinds of candy molds and aluminum compression casting products. We have developed different kinds of candy molds for clients to choose from, and can also provide services on R&D, design, customization, CNC, mold casting, product processing, and package as well. Ningbo Lufeng Mold Mechanical Company Limited is in cooperation with many domestic candy-making machine companies and is also supplying to many clients in Middle East, Asian, and Western countries. We are glad to receiving your requests and orders on molds customization. We are also looking forward to your visit at any time.